Hi, I'm Allie Dosdell, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the banner feature of the Works tool. First of all, you're going to remove the stamping tool and pull out the banner guide from the back of the tool. Take a look at your chart here and select the size banner you want to make, and then you're going to flip it over and read through the instruction for banners. First of all, place the guide on the board with the banner guide lined up on the banner indicator. And I've already trimmed my paper to 5 by 5, which is the size I want to make. And the guide tells me to place it on the 2 5/8 measurement. So I'm going to go ahead and line that up on the 2 5/8 measurement. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut. And then all I need to do is flip my paper over, line that up on the same measurement, 2 5/8, and then cut. And you've got yourself a perfect triangle. Now all we need is the holes for hanging. So we're going to come over here and we're going to place this, and there are guides right here that show you where to line up the edges of your banner. And we'll punch once, flip it over, and line that up again. And punch, and there you've got 2 perfect 1/4 inch holes, and then you'll just run a string through it to hang it up, and you're done. Be sure to check out our other The Works videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me.